Forgot your Cloudflare password and can't find where to change it? I'll show you exactly where to click in under 2 minutes. We'll start from your Cloudflare dashboard, then navigate through profile settings to the password change form. Follow along and you'll be back into your account in no time. Let's begin by opening your Cloudflare account. Head over to cloudflare.com and log in with whatever credentials you do remember. This is your starting point, your home base for everything we're about to do. So now that you're logged in, look all the way up in the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a small profile icon there. It's usually just a silhouette of a person or your initials. Go ahead and click on that icon. This opens up a drop-down menu with a few different options. From that drop-down menu, you want to click on the option that says Profile. This takes you to your personal account settings page. Think of this as the control center for everything related to your Cloudflare identity. Now, over on the left-hand side of your screen, you'll see a sidebar with a list of menu items. Scroll down until you find one that says Access Management and click on it. This is where Cloudflare keeps all the privacy and security controls for your account. You'll notice after clicking that, a submenu appears. The first option under Access Management should be Authentication. Click on that. This is the section dedicated to how you prove your identity when you log in. At the top of this authentication page, you'll see a few tabs. Look for one that says Password and click on it. You're almost there now. This is the specific page where all the password magic happens. All right, now you should see a button that says Change Password. Click on that button. This will reveal the form where you can actually type in your new credentials. The first box you'll see is for your current password. This is the password you've been using up until now, the one you're trying to replace. Type it in carefully. If you've got a password manager, now is a great time to use it. Next, you'll need to create a new password. Make sure this one is strong. Happy medium between something you can remember and something that's hard to guess. A mix of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols is always a solid choice. Type your new password into this second box. Just beneath that, there's a third box labeled Confirm New Password, or something very similar. Type that same new password in here again. This is Cloudflare's way of making sure you didn't make a typo the first time. Take your time with this one. Finally, look for the Save button. It's usually right below the password fields. Click that button, and just like that, your new password is saved and active. You might see a brief loading spinner while Cloudflare processes the change, but it should only take a second. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your Cloudflare password and you're back in full control of your account. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to check out the rest of the guides on this channel for more step-by-step walkthroughs just like this one.